Call for your jute bags in bulk here at Taron Innovative World. Call or WhatsApp me on 080-365-88365, 080-365-88365. We make quality souvenirs here, school bags, lunch bags. We are also into bridal accessories like bouquets and fans. We're into beads, we're into lunch bags, we're into throw pillows. Thanks to our wonderful customer for their patronage. Thank you so much for keeping us in business. Please, new deals are welcome. Come here at Taron Innovative World and you will never forget the beautiful experience you have. We're also into jotters. Let me just show you these beautiful jotters. Wooden jotters you will never see anywhere. So call or WhatsApp me on 080-365-88365. They are so beautiful.